it's Alex, and look where I am. I'm in my hallway. I like to start a lot of videos in my hallway for no apparent reason. There's other things in the hallway with me, as you may see. Not just shoes, but we have wings. We have rear wings, we have front wings. And I'm about to try and squeeze them all into the back of Jessie and take them down to my friend's workshop and sand the crap out of them, basically. I did sand one of them in a previous video. This one. I spent ages sanding this, probably about 5 hours. Way too long. It's got a few bits of rust where they've been in storage in Lyndon's unit. So when I spoke to my friend Clive, he just said, I'll give you my air tools, his air sanding orbital sander with some really harsh discs on, and he reckons we'll just strip them bare, take all the old paint off, which is going to be fun because there's a lot of paint. Yes, and in this wing over here we have a lot of filler for some reason. This is very, I mean, you probably can't see on the camera, but that is very thick with filler there. There's some filler in this one as well, I noticed. Where is it? Is it this one? Yeah, I think it's down that end. Yeah, strange. A couple of them have got quite a bit of filler on them. I don't know why. Must be minor imperfections, maybe small dents or something. Well, we shall see, but it's going to be messy. We're going to get very dusty with that filler, definitely. Yeah, I probably won't film much of the sanding because it will be exceptionally boring, but perhaps I'll do some, you know, this is what this wing looks like after it's been sanded. This is what this wing looks like now it's been repaired, etc, etc. There won't be much live action today because you will be bored because I'll just be going and I'll probably even put my headphones on because the noise of it resonating through the panels. Anyway, enough chit chat. I need to get these loaded up in the car. See you there. Right, me and Jessie made it to Clive's okay. I got all the wings in the back. I forgot to film to show you that I got them in there. It was very, very tight. And if we look in there, there is a very small scratch in the leather. Jessie. But apart from that, we survived. We didn't damage the interior, thankfully.
But with what we've got here, this is quite good, only where it's like that, feather it out.
So much easier with air tools, isn't it?
Just take to that there.
Like a bit like I did with that one.
Yeah, that would probably really, you could be fine straight over
that
there.
That one's okay.
Yeah, just take it just like that. Do them all like that, Alex.
Okay, cool.
Right, find you a mask.
Yes, please. So there we are. That's Clive's demonstration of what I've got to do to all of my wings. Apart from this one, because it's not that bad. I've already spent hours on that one, so that'll just need a quick going over just to get rid of these little bits from where it's in storage. Oh, Clive's got me a mask. That's good. I'm not going to get clogged up lungs today. And most importantly, before you start any job, make a cup of tea. There's quite a bit of rust on this edge here, so I've got a belt sander. Right, this just needs blowing out with the airline. So that's sanded in there. This was all vapour blasted by Matt in Malvern. so all inside is nice and clean. There we are. I believe this is all sanded enough to speak to Clive. Make sure he thinks it's okay. Now this is the wing that I'd already done, but it's been in storage without primer on, which is a bit of a shame. So there is a few bits of rust popped up here and there, so I'm going to sand the crap out of it and get rid of the rust. In case you want to know what's going on in the background, is they're putting this Brooklyn's Capri back together. So Clive's charging the battery up. I'm having some popcorn. Need energy. Right, those rear wings are done. Sanding. Now onto the front wings now. You can see it's nice and clean. I've escaped. I'm just going for a lunch break, see if I can go and get a sandwich from Tony's Cafe. And here is Tony's Cafe. There's a few cafes along here, but I like to come and support Tony. He's got lots of cool signs on the wall. And we're just outside Love to Pets, which is a good pet shop I like to get things for Arlo from. And if you see the sign up there, it says Moreland's Match Manufactory. So they used to make matches over there on the Moreland's estate, that whole estate. Unfortunately, this wing's a bit, it's very full of filler around this area, and there's a bit of rot there, so we're going to smash that and see what happens. Clive is, and then we got to put some more filler in. 50 Shades of Blue. Well, that's enough for today. That's all 4 wings sanded down. Gonna leave them here. Gonna leave them here for Clive to put some more filler in a few places. A few little bits that need welding as well. So yes, at least we've made a start.